Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Color Guard with Buddy. Now you see, we're inside today because it's 2:22 in the morning and I can't sleep. But I was reading through the comments that you guys all sent me and I saw a comment for somebody asking for triple time on rifle. So I decided to do that for... That's right. Today we're going to start at right flat. That's where your rifle is perpendicular to your body. We're going to start out by doing 4 spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Stopping with your rifle straight up and down. That is step 1, bottom. Your next step is bottom again. That's going to look like this. Step 1, step 2. Flick your rifle a tiny bit, just like you're doing a regular spin. 2. Step 3 is bottom again. You're going to do 1 full rotation of your rifle with just your left hand. 3. Step 3. Step 4 is top. That's going to look like this. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Top. Step 5 is top again. Top. Grabbing in the arc of the rifle. Step 6 is bottom. Again, grabbing in the arc of the rifle. And finally, step 7, catch. At right flat. The entire thing is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. All together, it's going to look like this. Triple time on rifle. Step 1. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. 1 full rotation. Step 4. Bottom. Step 5. Top. Step 6. Bottom. And finally, 7. That's triple time on rifle. Thanks again for watching another episode of Color Guard with Buddy. And thank you for giving me the idea for this video. See you next time.